Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 31. The binary operation is defined as x asterisk y is equals to xy minus x for all real values of x and y. If x asterisk 3 is equals to 2 asterisk x, find the value of x. Now we're giving x asterisk 3 is equals to 2 asterisk x. So that means that using the binary function, x asterisk 3 will give us 3x, then minus 3 minus x is equals to 2 asterisk x will be 2x minus x minus 2. Now collecting like terms, we'll have 3x minus 2x minus x plus x is equals to 3 minus 2. So from here, this x will cancel this x. 3x minus 2x will give us x is equals to 3 minus 2 will give us 1. So x is equals to 1, and that is option C. X is equals to 1. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.